Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Google Notes app theme into mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the application theme for Google Notes, you just simply have to open this Keep Notes application into your phone. Then after that, you get to see this 3 bars into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that 3 bars and from there tap into this gear option and go to settings. And now after tapping into gear option, you will get to see this theme option into here, which is set into system default into mine. Just simply tap into that theme option in order to change your theme. As you can see here, you will get 3 options. The first one is light and the second one is dark and the last is system default. I'm changing it into light. And as you can see here, my app theme for Google Keep is successfully changed. This way you can easily change your app theme for Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.